Big Bird says, I know the game called Big Bird Says. I like to play it with you. Just follow me and read along. I'll tell you what to do. Big Bird says, touch your nose. Shut your eyes, then touch your toes. Touch the top of someone's head. Touch someone who's in bed. Brush your teeth and wash your hands. Put your shoe and tie your lace. Put on your shoe and tie your lace. Big Bird says to touch the floor. Put your coat on and go out the door. Pull a wagon, bounce the ball. Walk on slits 5 feet tall. Find a girl, then a boy. Share your very favorite toy. Big Bird says to catch a goose. Find someone with a loose tooth. Find someone that makes you lucky. Touch someone you think is scratchy. Pat a dog, then pat a cat. Kiss someone who wears a hat. Big Bird says to say bow wow. Quack like a duck. Moo like a cow. Jump way up high and flap your wings. Stand on your head and start to sing. Draw a picture of a clown. Now, do the same thing upside down. Touch your elbow, then your knee. I'll tickle you. You tickle me. I'd love to play more with you, but now you tell me what to do. The end.